Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Aditya Wahyu Pratama. NPM 1916041 from regular class A. In this expertise English segment, I have determined the scientific topic of public administration problem and analysis one topic with a public administration approach, namely public service employee perform problem and analysis of their impact on the community as service recipient. The public always demand the quality of public service from government employees, although this demand is not in line with expectation because public service that have occurred to that are still market biting such as convoluted, slow, expensive, uncertain, and tiring. In such circumstances, it occurs because people are still positioned as parties who serve and are not served. If it is considered a public service issue in Indonesia, the main problem of public service today is related to improving the quality of the service itself, one of which is based on the performance of employees. The quality of public service depends on aspects such as how the pattern is implemented, human resource support, and institutional management, as well as new perspective and motivation for good public service and governments are also considered appropriate for the current condition in dealing with public service issues in Indonesia, such as improving the quality of human resource or improving the performance of employees in public service. One of the factors in public service that must receive attention is the performance of employees in providing service to the community, because performance is the result of work or work performance. Performance as Performance has a broader meaning, not only as a result of work, but also how the work process takes place. Performance is about doing the job and the result it achieves. Performance is about what to do and how to do it. In general, employee performance can be said to be a person's success in carrying out a job. However, the performance of employer in carrying out public service is still not optimal, with many problems and irregularities causing reaction from the public to this definition, including: first, there are still many agencies that do have clear procedure for providing service, so that there are many errors in the process of providing service to the community. Second, the procedure for service are convoluted, so that it is very troublesome for user of public service. Third, service time is generally inefficient and detrimental to people who are in need of service, because the service process is very slow and take hours, so it is very inefficient in time. And fourth, there are still many charges for service which should not be allowed to charge public service, because public service are the government obligation to meet the need or provide them to every community. Employee performance problem in public service are caused among others because: one, the skill of service officers are still low and are not suitable for their job to provide good service. 2. Staff who are public servants do not work according to their field, and some public servants are also not compliant and responsive to serve the community. 3. There are still many officers who show their attitude by speaking or telling something unfriendly, and some even feel they are in a position of power and arrogance. And 4. In addition, what makes public service less optimal is rampant corruption among public service employees, where the budget should be used to improve the quality of public service, but the budget is misused by irresponsible parties. Therefore, according to Tiller, there are several factors that need to be considered in the performance of public service, including 1. Dedication and discipline. To provide a quality service to a human being, they must have a sense of dedication to his duties and job. Because someone who has high dedication is a human being who realizes the meaning of his own profession and tries to make it happen. 2. Honest. Honest is very important not only to other but also to yourself. 3. Other people, a human being must be able to work together based on mutual trust. Honesty and professionalism will produce superior product and can constantly compete. 3. Innovative. A superior human being is not a routine person who is satisfied with the results that have been achieved and is satisfied with his status. A superior human being who can also find new function in an invitation. 4. Be persistent. A diligent human being is someone who focuses attention on the task and work that has been submitted to him or an effort he is doing. Persistent will produce something because he will not stop until it produces a profitable result. 5. Persistent. Regarding the attitude of being diligent, with a disciplined life, it is impossible for someone who is persistent to assert in his duties and job. A person who is diligent and persistent will continue to carry out his duties in a focused manner according to a schedule without looking for shortcut and breaking discipline. 6. Human resource. Human resources are assets owned by private or government agencies or organizations. Without the support of reliable and professional human resources, the activities of an office will have a very significant impact on the development of service of an organization. 7. Leadership is one of the keys in determining the creation of work efficiency and effectiveness as well improving employee work. Leader can successfully manage an organization they manage if the leadership in question can play a good role. Based on the previous explanation, it means that it can be concluded that to realize good public service, in placing the number and quality of staff or officer must be competent and have an appropriate understanding of good public service so that the service process can be right on target and the service provided can also bring the bureaucracy closer to the community. As well as serving the community well is the responsibility of all government agencies providing public service. Thus, every employee in a government agency must serve the community and learn how to improve skill to serve because this will show the public then an employee in this government agency is a professional in the field of public service management. If there is an error in the delivery of the material or speech, I am sorry. I will end it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.